In today's digital age, email marketing has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their audience. However, with inboxes flooded with countless emails every day, it can be challenging to capture the attention of your recipients. The key lies in crafting irresistible email subject lines that persuade readers to open and engage with your message. In this article, we will explore 5 proven techniques that will unlock the power of persuasion and help you create compelling subject lines. Tap into emotions. Connect on a deeper level. Emotional engagement is crucial when it comes to grabbing someone's attention. By appealing to your readers' emotions through your email subject line, you can create a sense of curiosity or urgency that compels them to click and discover more. For example, don't miss out on our exclusive offer, limited time only. Discover how product, service can transform your life today. Use unique rationale. Stand out from the crowd. To stand out among the sea of emails flooding inboxes daily, you need a unique rationale that sets you apart from competitors. Highlight what makes your offer different or why it is valuable specifically for your target audience. For example, revolutionize your business strategy with our cutting-edge solutions. Why? Your product, service, is unlike anything you've ever experienced. Employ numbers. Provide concrete takeaways. Numbers have a powerful impact on our perception and memory retention. Incorporating numbers into your subject lines provides clarity and conveys value by promising specific benefits or takeaways. For example, 5 secrets to boosting your productivity today. Save 50% off on all orders, limited stock available. Expand on points. Create intrigue and generate interest. Creating intrigue within your subject lines can be a highly effective way to pique curiosity and generate interest. By hinting at valuable information or benefits within the email, you entice readers to open it and explore further. For example, the one strategy that will skyrocket your sales? Discover the hidden gems of your industry inside. Utilize urgency and scarcity. Drive immediate action. Human psychology is wired to respond to urgency and scarcity. By incorporating language that conveys time sensitivity or limited availability, you create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, that compels readers to act promptly. For example, last chance. Limited seats available for our exclusive event. Hurry! Sale ends tonight. Don't miss out on huge savings. In conclusion, crafting irresistible email subject lines is an art form that requires careful consideration and understanding of human psychology. By tapping into emotions, using unique rationale, employing numbers, expanding on points, and utilizing urgency and scarcity, you can unlock the power of persuasion in your email marketing campaigns. Remember that each technique serves a specific purpose, whether it's creating curiosity, conveying value, or generating immediate action. Experiment with different combinations and test their effectiveness through A/B testing to optimize your subject lines for maximum impact. So next time you sit down to write an email campaign or newsletter blast, keep these proven techniques in mind. Captivate your audience from their very first glance at their inbox by crafting irresistible subject lines that leave them eager to discover what lies inside. Unlock the power of persuasion today and watch as your open rates soar.